Oh, hey friends, this is Nickie. Hey, by any chance, are you interested in seeing my art studio? I could give you a little tour. You are? Okay. So a cool thing about our house is that the lower level is actually a separate apartment. So my art studio is actually a bathroom and a kitchenette. Come on, let's go look. Hey everybody, this is my art studio and this is absolutely 100% what I normally wear to paint. Just kidding, I just had an event. So yeah, come on in, check it out, see what's going on. Over here, we have a caricature of my mom and I at Valley Fair, and the highlight of this is this little guy up here falling out of the roller coaster. That's silly. Here are some of my supplies. You can see under this table, I have my paints and I have drying racks, so I have a lot of supplies under there. Let's come on into the bathroom. Come on. Hey everyone, here I am in the bathroom. I'm basically sitting on the toilet, except I'm actually sitting on a couple of chairs, and I dry a lot of my paintings here on these chairs. Right here, we have a gong because, you know, why wouldn't we? We do not use this toilet. We do not use this shower because this shower is filled with drums. Here we have my mom's old robe, which I obviously sometimes use as a smock. Okay, here's the rest of the bathroom. Down here, works in progress, blank canvases. And here, I forgot that this was here. We're gonna have to blur this out because this is not safe for work. It is obviously inappropriate. This is my Milk House candle wax warmer, and if this sounds like an ad, well, it's not because I'm not getting paid, but Milk House Candle Company, amazing. Best candles that you'll ever have in your whole entire life. This scent, this wax melt is layer cake, so that when you come down to the art studio, it doesn't smell like it actually smells nice and yummy. All right, this is what I'm working on right now. We have a craft fair coming up, so I'm working on this Scrabble tile art. All of these are gonna say you are loved. Right now, I just have all the canvases out and I made sure to glaze them, and all they need left are these Scrabble tiles. And here we have the wall of tape. We also have an exposed nail, so please be careful. I taped the back of all of my canvases and I'm trying to reuse and recycle everything that I can. So if the tape's reusable, it goes on the wall of tape. And here we have my hair dryer. I use this every morning to make sure my hair gets really cute. JK, look, it has paint all over it. I use this in my fluid paintings. Another highlight of the tape wall are these switch plates that I've painted. We'll have some of these available at the art show coming up too, but aren't they cute? I think they're so much fun. Can I offer you a drink? Come on over and pick out what you'd like. Oh, never mind. Our refrigerator is not acting as a refrigerator. I have a whole bunch of supplies in the fridge and in the freezer too. Okay, now we have the sink area. This is where I clean and dry everything. I just got a new glue gun. It's in this kit. Isn't it awesome? I can't wait to use it. I have a picture of my mom and her favorite Disney character, and an affirmation. I deserve to make a living doing something I love. I share my art with others so that they can feel joy too. Heck yeah! This is my grandpa's office sign. I haven't hung it up yet. Well, I kind of have because it's hanging right here.
Hey Nickie.
Hey, what?
Where do you keep Brad?
Oh, Brad? I have all my Brads right in here. I have Bean, Greenwald, Cooper, Pitt. They're all right here. This is Snowball. Snowball is my apprentice. Okay. Okay, this is where I keep track of how many paintings I've done and how to number them. The next number is 51. I've done 50 paintings, hooray! I'm experimenting with some new things, like this vase. I just did a pour on this vase. I think it's kind of cool. I think I would buy it. I'm also working on these mini easels. They will also have some Scrabble tiles on them. They'll say stuff like hope, joy, peace. And up here, we have a picture of my grandma bee and her favorite cow. And I do not know what the cow's name is. Also experimenting with doing pour paintings on things like this, like trays or bowls. May I offer you a cookie? Just kidding, I don't ever cook. Here's where we keep all of the jewelry items. This is my little mini blowtorch. Yeah. I also use this in painting to get the bubbles out. Look at this, sleeping on the job. So there you have it. This completes the tour of my art studio. Thanks for coming. Don't forget to like and subscribe.